Okay, here's my pen. James, you think that we have the, oh, come on, work for me. A, which is the X. The X position, and you said, James, it goes to where? Let's go to 121. V. So let's go all the way down to V and have a look. QRSTU, where's V? There it is, down there. Okay, you think it goes to there. Why do you say it goes to there, James? What do you mean the exact same bar? Say it again. A mirror of what? Okay, the X position is in, okay, all right. That's not a bad justification at all. Anybody else got anything different they want to say? Anybody got anything different? What's all the material, James, between U and V? What can we call all the information from here all the way down? All of this, all of this, all of this. Keep going. Gosh, there's a lot of stuff there. What do we call all that? So we're saying the development sections only. So what's all of that? It's quite a lot of information. What do you think? Do you think it's a bridge? Go ahead. This is where James says that he thinks the development begins. This is actually in, it's both. This is both. This one's in sonata rondo form. So we're going to have an exposition ABA. We're going to have a, let me just have a look. So we have an exposition that's AB, or sorry, A, and then we have a transition and then a second subject, and then back to the first subject, which is ABA. So the first subject is the first 16 bars, is A. The transition and the second subject, the transition is 17 to 37. Then we have the second subject B, and then we go back to the A. So let's have a look at that. Let's see if we can find that. So sonata rondo form, let's do that. All right, let's see if we can find that. So this is, bars 1 to 16 is the A theme. So all of this, oh, come on. 1 to 16 is the A theme, which goes to here. And then it continues down here, as we can see in these parts. 14, 15, 16. Which is there. All right. Then we have a little transition theme, which goes back to the solo up here. Let's put that in another color. So we have like a transition theme in here. All right. And then, and this continues on, I reckon I'm going to see a rehearsal mark at the end of this. There it is there. Okay. Then we have the second subject, which is here. Five, 36, 37. Here, I think. There. Let me take this out. Ask a question.
In the horn part, why are there like two flags coming off the note?
Whereabouts?
Where they are. 40.
Is it divided? Is it divided? Oh, there's got to be a reason for it. I can't tell you at the moment, unless it's divided. I can't really tell you at the moment. Oh, because that there, yeah, that's this part up here is horns, right? So I'd say that's divided in there. Okay, as in there's a number of horns playing that part. So it's probably going to be in divisi. And then you got the solo horn down the bottom here. I'll just finish highlighting the second subject. In here as well. Right. Let me go down to, where's 67? And here. This is all the second subject. And then we get back to 63, 45, 66, 67. And then we go back to the main subject here. And then that goes all the way through. Keep going. Until we get to U, which is there. So as you can see, if you look at it, guys, you've got the A theme is in yellow. You've got your little bridge passage from R in purple. Then you've got the second subject, which comes in blue. In blue, it starts, the second subject starts at 35, 36, 37, begins in 38, just here. 35, 36, 37, 38 is where it begins. And it goes in blue. Now, don't forget, this is a horn concerto, so you're going to expect to hear the melody in horn. And then that goes all the way through until we get to T, which is where the first subject, or the A, returns. So what I'm trying to get to say to you is that we have exposition ABA. So the exposition is the sonata rondo form. So the exposition is the sonata part of the form, and the ABA is the rondo part of the form. And we put it all together. And we get a very complex opening exposition section, which goes all the way down to U, to there. After that, we have the development section, which is another section entirely. And we can see that we're developing in here a lot of the rhythm and accompanying ideas. And I'm pretty sure when we look at these two ideas from here, this is an amalgamation of both the first and second subjects. What was that, sorry? All right, we'll stop that there for a minute.